Good evening. Yeah, sorry for delay. Good evening, everyone. Call everyone. Call everyone. Yeah, call everyone. Sorry for the inconvenience. Call everyone. Let me know audio video okay or not. Let me know audio video okay or not. Yeah, today's class is very important. Today's class is very important. So let's start. Let's start here. Let's start here as I mentioned. So what is the today's date? What is the today's date? Let me know what is the today's date. What is the date today? 7th. Let me write. 7th, 10th, 2025. 7th, 10th, 2025. So as we mentioned, so every industry follows priori analysis only. Every industry follows priori analysis only, right? Let's write. Today this is the starting point. Priori analysis. Right? Priori analysis. Call everyone. Call everyone. I request everyone. Call everyone. Call everyone. Because it's a today's class is very important. It started now. It just started now. 7/10/2025 priori analysis. Right, so now you will see all the time complexity questions, right? Now let me write the definition, right? In my opinion, today's class is just started now. I am writing now. It is a determination of order of magnitude of a statement. Order of magnitude of a statement. It is a determination of order of magnitude of a statement. What is the meaning of priori analysis? It is a determination of order of magnitude of a statement. It is a priori analysis definition. It is a determination of order of magnitude of a statement. Okay, perfect. So I written the definition. So what is the meaning? You will see now one by one, right? The first problem. Take the first problem. Take the first problem. Main some programming language I am following, right? Some programming language. Main x is equal to y plus z. Main x is equal to y plus z. This is the program. Main x is equal to y plus z. This is the program. So this program, what is the time complexity? We have to find out using priori analysis. Using priori analysis, what is the time complexity of this program? Let me know if audio, video, everything is fine. Because if it's the first problem, I want to know audio, video. Is it okay? Janardhan, is it okay? Audio, video. Pooja, audio video okay? Check all the people. Janardhan, is audio video okay? Pooja, audio video okay? Fine. Yeah. Can we go ahead? Yeah. Fine. Then we can go ahead. Then we can go ahead. Right. So it is a determination of order of magnitude of a statement. So on program I written, what is the time complexity of this program? Right. Everyone try to understand. So if you want to find out time complexity of any program, if you want to find out time complexity of any problem, right? First to find out how many statements are there. This program contain how many statements? First find out. You want to find out time complexity of any program. First find out how many statements are there in this program. In this program, only one statement there. Right? Program, I think program will start from main. Right? So in the case of the Python, there is no main. Right? So starting line, whatever will execute, normally that is main. They don't try, but every language is having main. Every language having main, right? They may not write explicitly main, but every language is having main. The place from where program start executing. The place from where program start executing, that is called main. So here I written explicitly main. So if you see inside first statement, x is equal to y plus z. So this program contains one statement. What is the time complexity? Can you see this one? While running this program, this statement 1 will execute how many times? While running this program by CPU, this statement will execute how many times? Remember, while running this program, this statement will execute by CPU only one time. That is called order of magnitude. So it is a determination of order of magnitude of a statement. Order of magnitude is nothing but how many times a statement is executing while running. How many times a statement is executing while running. Main, right? X is equal to y plus z. Main x is equal to y plus z. While running this program, how many times this statement will execute? So one time only. One time only. While running, right, this statement will execute how many times by CPU? Only one time. That is called order of magnitude of a statement. Right? According to priori analysis, time complexity finding is nothing but, right, just to find out order of magnitude of every statement. I think only one statement order of magnitude is 1. So the time complexity of this program is order of 1. Means big O of 1 you can write, or you can write omega of 1 also. You can write theta of 1 also. Out of these three, anything you can write. Out of these three, you can write anything. Big O of 1 you can write, omega of 1 you can write, theta of 1 also you can write. Anything you can write. This program time complexity, how much? Just to find out how many statements are there. Only one statement. While running this program by CPU, how many times this statement will execute? One time. So order of magnitude of that statement is 1. Order of magnitude of first statement is 1. So time complexity is nothing but whatever you got order of magnitude, just keep to that big O, or keep omega, or keep theta, right? Whatever symbol you want, you can keep. What is the difference between all these three symbols? Definitely I am going to explain, right, in further classes. Further classes, definitely I will explain. This is the first problem. Example 1. I hope everyone got it. I hope everyone got it. Let's go to second example. Example 2. Let's go to example 2. Let's see. Main x is equal to y plus z. Main x is equal to y plus z. Next one, some for loop I am keeping for I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. Next one, x is equal to y plus z. This is the program. What is the time complexity of this program? I am going to explain. Right? Be careful, everyone. What is the time complexity of this program? I am going to explain. Right? So this is the second program which we are trying today. This is the second program. Right? One program already we done. This is the second program. Right? Let's try. Let's try this. What is the time complexity? So whatever you understood, please try. How to find out time complexity? Remember, how many statements are there? Please find out. How many statements are there? First find out. Right? Next one, after finding how many statements are there, every statement, what is the order of magnitude, you find out. So time complexity finding, very simple. Right? First find how many statements. Now find how many, right? Every statement, what is the order of magnitude. If you can do this, easily you can handle it. Yeah, can you go ahead? It is the second problem we are doing today. Check. The second problem we are doing today, right? How to find out time complexity of a particular program. First step, find how many statements are there. Yeah, Newton saying that, right, important thing requires. Yeah, okay, we'll see. Newton, if possible, we'll do that. Newton, if possible, we will do that. Yeah, so Janardhan, find out what is the time complexity of this program. First, find how many statements are there. First, find out. This program time complexity, if you want to know, first find out how many statements are there in this program. So this is the first statement this program contain. This is the second statement what this program contain. Right? First statement and second statement. This program contain two statements. This program contain two statements. Right? First statement, second statement. What is the first statement order of magnitude? Whenever this program is running, first statement will execute one time only. Whenever second statement is running, second statement will execute. I think if you want, you can check it n times. So if anyone having doubt how n time, check here. I is equal to 1, okay. 1 less than or equal to n, condition is true. For every true, you have to execute inside. Right? It's a Python language or C language, C++, Java, doesn't matter. Everywhere for loop will be similar. Syntax will be different. Right? So you have to say to for loop, what is the starting point? I is equal to 1. You have to say to for loop, what is the condition? You have to say to for loop, how the incrementation is done. So I think I is equal to 1. Okay. Condition is true. 1 less than or equal to n, condition is true. Then execute the statement. After statement execution is over, again, right, go to the I plus plus, I value becomes 2. So 2 less than or equal to n, condition is again verified. Again, after every true, come inside, continue. So 1 less than or equal to n verified, 2 less than or equal to c, 1 less than or equal to n, condition true, one time, 2 less than or equal to n, condition true, second time, 3 less than or equal to n, condition true, third time, and so on. Lastly, n less than or equal to n, condition true. So n times over. Lastly, n plus 1 less than or equal to n, condition is failed. So you will be out of the for loop. You will be out of the for loop. So the statement will execute n times. So first statement order of magnitude is 1. Second statement order of magnitude is n. So total program order of magnitude is, right, n plus 1. Total program order of magnitude is n plus 1. In the n plus 1, bigger one is n. So you can write big O of n also. You can write omega of n also. Whatever you want, you can write. You can write theta of n also. These three things you can write. So second program time complexity is big O of n. Second program time complexity is big O of n. If anyone having any objection, please let me know. Two programs we done. If anyone having small objection also, please let me know. Right? First program time complexity, right, 1. Second program time complexity is n. Let me know any objection. Small doubt also there, you can ask me. Reddy sir, I have this doubt. Reddy sir, I have that doubt. You ask me, I will help you. Check anyone having any objection in the second program. Do you have doubt? Check. Do you have doubt? Check. Any doubt? Janardhan, any doubt? Janardhan, any doubt? Anyone having any doubt? Any issue? So can we go to next problem? Can we go to next problem? Check. Can we go to next problem? Can we go to next? Can we move to next problem? Right? Can we move to next problem? Right, perfect, perfect. Till now, 2 problems are over. Let's go to third problem. Let's go to third problem. Problem number 3. Problem number 3. Problem number 3. Main. Problem number 3. Main. Yeah, main. X is equal to y plus z for I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus, I plus plus. If we go inside, one more for loop for j is equal to 1, j less than or equal to n, j plus plus, j plus plus. If we go inside, x is equal to y plus z. This is the for loop. This is a program. So can you find out what is the time complexity of this program also? Can you find out what is the time complexity of this program also? What is the third problem? So let me write example 3. Example 3. Yeah, find out everyone what is the time complexity of this program. Check everyone. Check everyone. Everyone try. Everyone try. I will give answer. So can I give answer? Hope you give an answer. Hope you give an answer. So let me try. What is the time complexity of this program? Let me try. I'm trying now. What is the time complexity of this program? I'm trying. So first identify how many statements are there. That is the first statement. Right? I think it is the second statement. Right? So only 2 statements are there. This program contains only 2 statements. Whenever this program is running, first statement will execute 1 time. Whenever this program is running, first statement will execute 1 time. Whenever this program is running, second statement is how many times? Let me check. I is equal to 1, 1 less than or equal to n. Remember, for every true, you have to come inside. Inside again for loop is there. J is equal to 1, j less than or equal to n. Every condition, you have to go inside. So after the statement is executed, afterward j plus plus. Right? Afterwards again, right? J loop will execute. So j value 1 less than or equal to n true. J value 2 less than or equal to n also true. So j loop is keep on going. Remember, I is equal to 1. J loop is keep on going. Let me check here. I is equal to 1. J loop is going on n times. 1, 2, 3, and so on n. So every time your statement will execute. Every time your statement will execute. Next one, whenever it is going on like this one, some point of time, I write j value becomes n plus 1. N plus 1 less than or equal to n, condition fail. Whenever j value becomes n plus 1, condition is fail. Whenever, remember, whenever condition is fail, so it will go from here to here. right? Now I value becomes 2, right? I value becomes 2. So 1 tried, 2 also tried. Now true. Every true you have to come inside the J loop. Now again J loop is starting from 1. J loop is 1, J loop is 2, J loop is 3 and so on. J loop is n. Again J value becomes n plus 1, right? I think it is fail. Now again it will go to I is equal to I plus 1. Right? Whenever J loop is fail, it will go to I loop. This is called as inner loops. These are called as inner loops. So I is equal to 3. Again same story. J loop is going on. J loop is 1, J loop is 2 and so on. J loop is n. Whenever J loop becomes n plus 1, you will fail. Right? It will continue again. I is equal to 4. I is equal to 4. J loop is going on again. It's going to be 1, 2, 3 and so on n. Whenever, right, it will become n plus 1, it will fail. Continue, continue, continue. Lastly, I value n. So J value also becomes 1, 2, 3 and so on n. Now lastly, J loop is fail. Lastly, I value becomes n plus 1. I value becomes n plus 1. Condition is fail. I loop is fail. I loop is fail means out of I loop you will go. So every I you have to go inside. Whenever I loop itself fail, then you will go out of the total loop. These are called inner loop. Why inner loop? For each I value J running. 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 That is the reason it is called inner loops. That is the reason they are called as inner loop. Right? So next one, I is equal to n plus 1, it is fail. So if you observe clearly, second statement will execute every time n times n executing. So second statement is executing n square time. First statement executing 1 time, second statement execute n square time. Overall, second statement executing n square plus n time. Sorry, n square plus 1 time. Second statement executing overall n square plus 1 time, which is nothing but big O of n square. Whichever bigger you take. Right? So big O you can write, omega also you can write, theta also you can write. Theta also you can write. This is the second problem. Sorry, third problem. This is the third problem. I hope everyone got it. I hope everyone got it. Let me know if anyone having any doubt. Let me know if anyone having any doubt. Small doubt also there, let me know. Second, the third program contain only 2 statements. First statement order of magnitude is 1. Second statement order of magnitude is n square. So right, overall becomes n square plus 1. So whichever is bigger you take, big O of n square, which is nothing but omega of n square, which is nothing but theta of n square. Right, fine. Is it okay? Is it okay? Please let me know if it is okay. Let me know if it is okay. Everyone check. If it is comfortable to you, I can move to the next problem. If it is comfortable to you, I can move to the next one. Can I move to the next one? The next one. Can we move to next one? Can we move to next one? 3 problems I done. 3 problems I done. 3 problems I done. Can we move to next one? Can we move to next one? Janardhan, can we move to next one? Pavani, can we move to next one? Can we move? Pavani, can we move? Janardhan, can we move? Till now, 3 problems are done. Till now, 3 problems are done. Fine, can we move? Right. So today, unfortunately, late. Today, unfortunately, little delay in the class. In the class, a little delay. Actual class is 6 o'clock. I started the class at around 6:30. 6:30 I started. It became 7 o'clock. But very less people came. So don't know the reason. Maybe rain is there. I don't know. There may be some other reason. I don't know. Right? So I think we can start tomorrow then. We can start tomorrow, Janardhan. Very less crowd. There may be some reason. Can we start tomorrow? Pavani, can we start tomorrow? Don't know the reason. Very less people came. Janardhan, what do you say? Let me know. Hello? 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 Janardhan, can we start tomorrow then? Tomorrow sharp 6 o'clock? Tomorrow sharp 6 o'clock, can we start? Yes? Yes? Let me know. Yeah, we'll start from tomorrow, right? Very less people came, whatever it may be the reason. Don't know, right? So that is the reason. So only 3 problems I done because major problems going to come tomorrow. So those people who came late, start from here. See. So if anyone is not done, yesterday's class, please go through the yesterday's class. If anyone is not done yesterday's class, please go through from yesterday's class. Right? Today is the second class. Today is the second class. Only 3 problems I done. Tomorrow I will do more problems. Today itself I want to do 10 problems, but because of less people, right? So I will start tomorrow. Maybe rain is the reason. I don't know. In my side there is rain. I don't know your side. What may be the reason? Otherwise, before going to end this class, right? Let me know. All the people who ever there, please comment in the comment section. Can we start tomorrow or can we continue? Check. Can we start tomorrow or can we continue? All the people who are watching, please let me know. Whatever you say, I will do. Whatever you say, I will do. If you say continue, I will continue. If you say stop, I will stop. Hello? Hello? Chalo then, right? Thank you everyone. Thanks. Thank you. Hi Janardhan. Yeah. So tomorrow we can start, Janardhan. Yeah, we'll start from tomorrow, right? Perfect. Right? We'll start from tomorrow. Right? Fine. Thank you, Janardhan. Thank you so much. See you in the tomorrow's class. Exactly 6 o'clock I will start. Thank you.